a sound of yesterday, the oboe of my first Mass. O light, O might, O whiteness of my God, here coming, come upon a word, O clasping of my Lord, here where have trod the feet of sacred armies, now unheard, yet heard again in these soft, fiery sounds that worked here in my hands an ancient change that angels find ere new. For there surrounds this naught of naught here bent, a denseness strange. My God, as I o'er particles here gazed, they did here cease to be, and I beheld, with ne'er a ray of sight, what all amazed my friend here at my side. For he ne'er held the Godhead as his ward, nor did the sword of angel speech e'er reach this wound outpoured. For 'twas a miracle that moved my feet in distant days evangelic to this place of mighty Roman air. And I now meet in inches for my face a hallowed space, where gaze did gaze upon this land, where man alone, with the all alone, did stand.